Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the unboxing of iPhone SE, the latest model which is released in 2020. This special edition SE devices comes in three colors: red, black and white, and in three different sizes, that is 64 GB, 128 GB and 256 GB. The one which I'm having in hand is 128 GB white color device. After you open the box, you will find the catalog. The catalog contains of SIM eject pin, 1 year warranty card, device layout details, and iPhone logo stickers. The iPhone SE is special edition second generation phone. This device is very slim, lightweight and stylish. So when you hold this device in your hand, you can really feel the premium style and also the good quality. The weight of this phone is very less. That is, the weight is 148 grams, 5.22 ounces. Because of such lightweight, you'll always feel comfortable and convenient while holding this device. The iPhone SE comes with fingerprint sensor, which is built in the home button. The sensor works very perfectly. That is, the one press is enough for scanning your fingerprint and for unlocking the phone. And also, this process is happening very fastly. So there is no delay or lag between your finger press and the unlocking your phone or processing your fingerprint. On the right side top corner is the power button, which is used for turning off or to reboot the device. And below this power button is the SIM slot. iPhone Galaxy S2 supports dual SIM. That is, one physical SIM and another one is the eSIM. The physical SIM you can insert as a normal procedure. And for using the eSIM or activating the eSIM, you have to visit to the operator where you are having the mobile connection. For example, if you are having Airtel, you should visit the Airtel store and get your eSIM activated. So for this case, there will not be any SIM card. It will be an eSIM. The rear camera of iPhone XE is of 12 megapixels and it's a wide camera. The photos taken in this device are with very good quality. The front camera is of 7 megapixels and it is also very good for taking selfies and for other pictures using the front camera. The camera wise, iPhone SE is performing very good. On the left side, there are three buttons. The first button is for toggling between silent mode and active mode, and the other two buttons are for volume increase and decreasing. The other item in the box are 2-pin USB adapter and a lightning to USB cable. So here the type one end is USB and the other end is lightning cable. And then the earpods. The earpods also, it is not a 3 jack earpods. So the end of the earpods is lightning type. In the upcoming in the upcoming video, there will be full detailed information. In the upcoming video, there will be full detailed informations shared about the performance of this device and the applications which are very useful to this. In the upcoming video, more details and informations will be shared regarding the device power up, the performance and the applications which are very useful for the iPhones. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel for more useful videos.